This is test. Make sure that our mics are working and fill you in on what we're doing.
Yep, testing 1, 2, 3, headed for Louisville, Kentucky.
So we are headed from Kansas City's Great Wolf Lodge. We just spent a day and a half or so with the kids at Great Wolf Lodge. And now we are headed east for the Louisville Farm Show again. If you remember last year, we talked about going somewhere different, but we decided, I guess, that we had so much fun last year, we're going to do her again. So we're headed out of Kansas City. Where do you suppose they were at?
Maybe they're coming from the Super Bowl. Where was it at?
I don't know. Bad that we don't know where the Super Bowl was at.
Yeah, very good.
We're probably not very good Americans, huh? They're headed back to St. Louis, though, I bet. Here we are outside of St. Louis. Apparently there's a wreck ahead of us, according to our CarPlay.
It was video.
How many times we crossed the Missouri River on this trip?
I don't know, but are you having fun driving?
No.
Why not?
Because you put me behind the wheel at the worst point you could have put me in. All I've been doing is driving in traffic. So here's something that I would have never thought I'd see in Illinois. Near Grayville, Carmi. Oh,
Yeah,
Indiana.
it takes forever to get through Kansas City that way.
Well, actually, I mean, we went right through the middle of Missouri. We just entered Indiana,
Gotcha.
and we got 140 miles.
Kurt said he has steak and sweet potatoes. We'll be waiting for us at home.
Oh, did he leave? He didn't go to the science place?
No, he left and went home to take care of work, animals, house.
I see.
Is this Louisville?
Yeah.
That trip seemed like a forever trip. Wonder what their deal is. I said that seemed like a forever trip. I think they want their attention. This is where we chose for supper tonight. Day one. You excited?
Yep. Can't you tell?
You're one to really not know for sure how you're feeling. He does have a smile though. Made it. As you can see, there's lots of cars.
It's a hell of a mess trying to find a place to park.
What?
I said, it's a hell of a place trying to find a place to park around here.
Well, just watching this, it looks like it's kind of a mess.
What?
$20 a pop.
What does it cost to go on vacation?
True. Jim said it costs to go on vacation. We'll have to find Chuck and see if we can't get a pass for tomorrow. Jim, he's helping direct traffic and get into parking spots.
What are you saying? I'm directing traffic?
I'm getting in parking spots.
Gotta help all us old farts out.
Well, let the games begin. That's a pretty remarkable looking machine, actually. This is the one that doesn't have the steering wheel. Well, what do you think?
No comment.
Put the spotlights on that. Lost Jim back here. What are we looking at?
Long ways up to the front.
Yeah, my goodness. Yes, Tracy, it's got rotors from the very front to where your head is.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Gold star talking for you. Sure, that was no, you're fine. No.
Wonder how that makeup feels. What's she got to do?
Oh, it will fit through that.
Oh. Oh. There's got to be a way to do that. I better get a picture of that for Brett and Charles. There's your big green machine, Charles. There we go, right color, but we're missing something major over here. I don't see a yellow combine. KFC Honeybee. I wonder if Jim's there.
How are you?
Good. Brian.
He can't hear you.
Looks like something that Cole would enjoy.
Look at those pipes. I've never seen anything gleam like they're gleaming.
They almost look like they have lights on them.
I know.
Okay, this is for you, Carol. Just to prove to you that Chuck is actually here and he's working. Jimmy found a chair with a friend.
Well, just pick up. I'm not taking it.
Dan the sign man.
So I'm leaving the fire.
So they made us leave the building.
Some very poor planning on our behalf.
It closes at 5 and they start locking the doors in a particular area, so you have to walk. And we started walking clear over there. Over there. Now we're all the way around here. And hopefully we'll find our car soon. I see the letter C So we've got to go all around this now to get to D.
Oh, you like to walk.
Getting our steps in.
You like to walk, right?
Yeah. We're finally on the right side of the building. Might have been smarter to have gone around that way. But our van's over there now, somewhere. Ah, what a deal. I guess it could be worse. It could be snowing.
You like to walk anyway.
Could have been really cold out, and then I would have been really miserable. Found her. Day one is complete. We didn't get around as far as we thought. We ran into a lot of great people. People who recognized us. Had a good visit with Jerry and Mike. Good to see Dano and our friend from Poseidon Soap. Oh, Chuck. Chuck at Warner Plastics.
I can't think of the cloth man's name.
Jeff at Kloss. Well, Brian Seeker at New Ag. Are we forgetting anybody?
I don't know.
Now what are we gonna do? Hotel?
Whatever you want to do.
Supper? Hot tub?
Andrew, plot me a course, Scotty.
Okay. Good morning. It's day number 2. A little bit more on the tired side than we were yesterday morning, but we're ready to take on another full day. New gate, new day. Hoping for less traffic. So far, so good.
Can give them the finger with this today.
Kind of like blowing through a way station, huh? Got a parking pass from Chuck yesterday.
Good old Chuck, he's very generous.
Yes, he is. Very generous. Man, those pullers have got some rigs, don't they?
Oh yeah. Okay, I could be mistaken, but I believe currently there's 1.2 million feet of exhibit space, and over here to our right, I think it's going to add 350,000 more.
And how much is it to add in? It's already there?
1.2 million already in exhibit space.
Wow. It's huge. Okay, we're picking up where we left off last night before our multi-mile trek. Seemed like it anyways. There's so much to see here. I think you need 3 full days. Okay, I found what I want to take home with me from the show. He's got to go with me regardless, but this swing is sweet. Man. Man, oh man. Look, there's even a place to put your drink. This is living large. This is maybe retirement material here, Jimmy. No?
Not for you.
I
Can't
could
go.
Well, I could sit in this for a very long time. Jim,
Yeah.
what are you now a member of?
Classic green.
Classic Green. Classic Green.
It's about the people.
It's about the people. See that? But look at what he had me hold. See that?
Well, you know, he likes other colors too.
Well, this one will always be the one in our heart forever and ever. But you know, when you're dealing with friends, you got to do what you got to do. So now he's a member of Classic Green. So are we going to go to the Classic Green show?
So now, most importantly, when you come back to the National Farm Machinery Show in 2027, don't forget $25 to renew your membership.
There you go.
I may not be here, so
An update on our second day at the farm show. So we pretty much got ourselves tired enough that we left shortly after noon and went back to the hotel, sat in the hot tub. Then we decided to just venture out for a while. Just finished eating at one of the barbecue joints that reviews showed was fairly high. I was pretty impressed. You?
I said it was good.
Yeah, it was called Mama's Mustard, Pickles, and Barbecue. It's in an old house, although that location is one of 3 in the area. It was really good. Well worth it. I think Jim and I would both give it 2 thumbs up on the barbecue scale. Now we're headed to Freddy's for our favorite turtle sundae for dessert. Final day of making our way to the farm show. Jim's got a date at noon for tractor pulls. And I'll probably hang out with friends while he's doing that. It's been a fun time. Agree?
Well, I hope it was for you.
Well, it wasn't the beach, but you know, it is what it is. Told Brett probably wouldn't come next year. He told me that I had to.
Yeah, if he brings his bus with a busload of guys, he'll be impressed.
Is that what he's gonna do? Is that what he talked about?
He did say that.
That would be awesome. He did say something about stopping and picking us up. Okay, Brett, we'll hold you to the bus thing, the bus ride.
You think I'm gross? Probably learn something then.
Oh my goodness, that would be a fun trip. Should have had pictures of the line that we just passed up at 2 previous gates. We might have a little secret here. Because it's 10 o'clock and it looks like there's a lot of people heading in.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, you do it.
I can't. Now it ain't.
Whoa. It's going against the rose.
So tell me, you raise them over the header, or does it do it on its own?
So I had to press a button to lower the header and turn it on.
Cutting
And
sunflowers.
You can attach and everything. You can have trailers and all kinds of things in this game.
Huh.
And a lot of times when you back over the crop and stuff, like it does destroy it. So, yeah.
You can use any brand combine
Yep, they got like every major brand in here.
and any
And
gearing
you have
off
to
head.
you have to buy the headers, and they're really actually.
Next up, we've got Louisville, Iowa. see on the starting line, Alice Chalmers, D21. And where's that gentleman with the coveralls on? He's been waiting for this all weekend long. All right, fans, well, this afternoon, we want to see all the 4-H and FFA members present. Please stand and be recognized. Where are you? All right, fans, let's give a nice round of applause. How about it, John Deere fans? Where are you?
Starting line, and this is a gentleman, like I said, who is very
This looks like real.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And now we're leaving Louisville.
Probably leaving the state.
For some reason, GPS took us through part downtown area to get on the road that we need to headed for Indianapolis. Some rapid type water going on over there. Oh, it looks like some sort of a dam or something over there.
I wish I could look, but I can't.
Yeah, don't look. Oh, that was the Ohio River. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.